Microphone check. Good morning, everyone. Tom, aka Nostra Thomas. You know where I'm live streaming from. I'm live streaming from your mamas. All right, let's get into it today. I would say I'm pretty excited, but it's gonna be a hot day today. I am excited. TGIF, baby. 3-day weekend. Hopefully you have a great 3-day weekend. Maybe it's a 4-banger for you. Maybe you pull the Swift one. If you work, you're like, oh, you know what? I'm gonna ask for Friday off. Get a 4-banger for the price of one. You count the weekend, you get Monday, July 4th off. Hopefully, wherever you are, you get July 4th off. And for whatever reason, I've signed back into my Bitwarden. All right, so let's get that done. Error occurred. Well, that's not freaking good. There we go, baby. Hopefully you couldn't tell by the sound of my click what my password was. Oh, you know what? Let me sign out of this because I don't want this to pull a fast one on me while we have it up. Pull this back up. Let's hop on over to the desktop. Let's go ahead and hit them like buttons, everyone. If you like the content, I do live stream every day during the week, 7:05 a.m. PST, just to avoid meet Kevin, who, by the way, I have the opportunity to go meet him today. I can go meet him today if I want. He's coming to a town near you. He happens to be coming to my town today. I am not going to go meet Kevin. There's that little Delta thing going on that I'm already pretty nervous about. Actually makes me a little nervous in the old markets too. This time around, we've been there, we've done that. There could be a run on TP again. There could be a run on food again. All I'm saying is be prepared. You got a little chance, I'm empty the shelves. It might not be a bad idea to go load up. They always say you want like a 2-week go bag, emergency fund, like food and all that stuff. Might not be a bad idea. Again, don't go crazy. I don't need 1-hour lines outside of Costco again. All I'm saying is it's what is it, July? I don't know what's going to come this winter, so just start preparing. There is a little we're talking about deltas and options. I don't want to get too crazy with what I say, but who knows how this algorithm's going to be like, shut this boy down. All I'm saying is I'm not trying to sound any alarms. Maybe just be a little prepared so you're not caught off guard. Firstly, I'm probably going to hit Costco up tomorrow, buy some canned food, buy an extra thing at TP, you know what I'm saying? Just to be safe. You know what? Like, for me, it's no big deal. I got to buy it anyway. Who cares if I buy an extra? I don't need to buy an extra 4 years like some people did last time, but an extra few months, to get me by, right? I don't want to have to resort to leaves and other shit. Anyway, all right, let's take a look at the stock market. Let's go ahead and pull that up. Actually, there's something much more important I want to look at really quick. First of all, I got to apologize. I got to apologize for the extra crazy clickbait title today. I'm pulling a fast one from the Meet Kevin handbook. You've got to watch this before July 4th. I do think this is an important video. I think all my videos are important because I truly do show you how to make money in crypto, as Big Ben would say, and the stock market. And I do it realistically. I don't tell you to go get my Femex link and go lose all your money on a 100x leverage Bitcoin trade. That's not how it's done. Next in the news, there is some big news today. Pretty big news. But I've been pounding the table on this for a minute, right? For a minute. And we're going to get into that in a sec. Oh, wait, hey. Whoa. Who was that guy talking? I don't know if that's going to come up for you. All right, let's see what we got going. Ooh, who's this sexy devil right here? Who is that sexy Wait, what is this? All right. I'm actually thinking about changing this again. Probably just make it Nostra Thomas for short. I had a little fun with the D-Nuts. I do want to make a D-Nuts coin. I think you can do that on QuickSwap or something. But the most important thing is Look, guys, and gals, I don't want to be sexist over here. I'm sure you could figure this out, but let's go over here and how does Ben say it? All right. Let's take a quick look at the stock market. Attitude Chef, what's going on with my... Oh, they really need to fix this bug. It's annoying as shit. All right, so... Like, how hard is it, Tastyworks? Coinbase down $1.64. You know, there's HUD 8. I want to do some stuff with HUD 8. We'll take a look at their options. Thomas in the house. Viper token. What the hell? Harmony keeps dropping. I don't even know if I want to look. So, some news on the Harmony front. Three banger this weekend. We have the three banger. You probably, I forget, you're somewhere over in Europe, I believe, right? You're probably not doing the July 4th this weekend. Maybe you do. Like, I don't blame the rest of the world for celebrating July 4th. Maybe, you know, it's a good reason to pop some brews, drink some whiskey, drink some vodka. If you're in Russia, whatever the F it is you drink, let's have some fun. Always looking for a reason to party. All right, so how they... Oh, you got me sidetracked. We'll get to Harmony. We'll check Harmony out. I got some news on Harmony too. All right, so how they... Focus. All right, how they... Hard to borrow. $4.53. I looked this up this morning. They have roughly a $750 million market cap. That's in Canadian dollars. 1 Canadian dollar equals about 0.80 cents. USD. It's like a $500 to $600 million market cap. They got a lot of Bitcoin too, so that I think this is a good trade if you're bullish Bitcoin. I think they're green. You know, I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Sometimes I just trade just for the hell of it, right? So let's see what we got here. All right, let's see what we got. So it's been a while since I've traded options. I honestly didn't remember what side was calls and what side was puts. So I could sell a 75-cent put 14 days out. And the next one, these are some shitty ass options, but I still feel compelled to do something. All right, so yeah, I am going to sell a $5 put. So that's basically a synthetic long because that's out of the money. And theoretically, the shares could get put to me at $5 at any point, but that generally doesn't happen unless it gets close to the expiration. 105 days out is much more than I generally would care to. Honestly, mechanically, this is a bad trade, I guess. I'm not sure that I'm going to do it. We could do a strangle, maybe. No, a covered strangle. Ooh, a covered strangle sounds interesting. We could get 55. So I could get 55 cents. I could get a $2.10 credit, 100 days out, and then we can buy 100 shares. Actually, kind of like, because I just want to watch it. Right? I'm big HUD 8. It's cheap. I think I got the money over here to do it. Yeah, I got a little kizash over here. Let's come over here and we're going to go to the curve. So I can hit stock. And let's see. So that's 100 shares, selling a put, selling a call. That makes, what was I getting? Actually, let's just get rid of this right now. So $1. So I'm basically buying 100 shares and paying $2.47 a share. Like, that's freaking insane. That's half off, baby. I don't know if that's going to fail. Actually, let's just go ahead and do this, and we'll do it separately. So 457, we'll go to the mid, 458, see if we can, boom, 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 filled. All right, so I just bought 100 shares of HUD 8. You don't know HUD 8's a mining company. I think they're in Canada. I mean, I got to assume that, Canadian dollar market cap, right? All right, so we're going to come over here, and we're going to go, actually, maybe we just YOLO the shit out of this. Yeah, man, let's sell $1. Let's sell the $5 call. Who cares if my shares get called away? I'm going to get $1. Why does there still 100 shares on this? All right, so let's just clear this shit out. All right, boom. We're going to come over here. We're going to sell a covered call. We're going to do a $5 covered call. I'm going to try and get $1.10 for that. That does not seem like that one wants to go through. Probably have to lower that down to $1.05. I'm not gonna try over $5 spilt milk. Maybe even $1. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Filled. So I paid $4.57 and just got $1 per share back. So I paid $3.57 for my HUD 8. It's trading at $4.60 now. Now, what worst that could happen is HUD 8 is over $5 and my shares get called away. I get paid $5 a share. I made me $50. I mean, this is like an 80% chance of being profitable. This is how you make money. And I cannot wait to do this in cryptocurrency. And we're going to yellow. We're going to yellow a put. So what this is saying, so this is so it's a strangle. You sell a call, you sell a put. It's got shares involved, so it's a covered strangle. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to do this cryptocurrency. So I'm going to sell a put. I'm going to look to get $1.50. Let's see if that goes through. That. Oh, snap, that was filled fast. So I just got another $1.50. This is technically a synthetic long. Actually, that's not even a covered strangle. That was a covered straddle. So what that is saying, I mean, that's an amazing trade. I think that's a freaking amazing trade now that I look at it. I sold a $5 put. That's a synthetic long because that put is out of the money. Technically, theoretically, now what'll hurt is if, it won't hurt that bad, but if HUD 8's on over $5, I could have another 100 shares put to me at $5. Who cares? It's cheap and I'm bullish Bitcoin. Crazy bullish Bitcoin. At the end of the day, if I have another 100 shares of HUD 8 at $5 and it starts going down or they go bankrupt, what's the worst that could happen to me? I lose $1,000. But I just got 100 shares of HUD 8 for like, I don't know, $2. Now, technically, I kind of want it to go over $5. And if it does, my put will be in the money and my whatever. We'll deal with that later. It's a little complicated. A little bit of a wacky trade. I've been off the rails too long on this. Let's see what's going on. Actually, let's see what's happening. I think Tesla was mooning. Tesla's up $8. It's pulled back a little. I think it was over 700 this morning. Riot is flat. Mara's flat. What's going on? Coinbase is trying to go green. Is Bitcoin trying to make a little move? I know it tried to make a little move this morning. The Nasdaq's up 103 points. Why don't I see that in my portfolio? The E-mini S&P's up 14. What is gold doing? Gold's up basically flat, 350. Where's the Bitcoin? Up $345, basically flat. It was trying to make a move this morning. All right, we're going to do a little bit of Matic Monday on Friday, just another Matic Monday on Friday, and we're going to get into the Ethereum news. So let's take a quick look. The DXY, what's the DXY doing? We want to, ooh, nice. It's coming back down. We don't want the DXY to get too jiggy up to the north. That generally means people are, the real flight to safety, they're getting nervous in cryptocurrency, they're getting nervous in the stock market. It's kind of hovering around flat, but I mean, this may sound un-American, but I prefer the DXY to start doing this. Because that's good for the markets. That's good for your crypto assets. All right, let's pull up the news real quick. Not big news, but like I said, I've been pounding the table on this for a while. No, not that Kazakhstan's getting a little greedy. The Borat's getting a little greedy. Introducing an extra fee for all these miners wanting to go over there. Way to really stick it to them. JP Morgan, baby. Jamie Dimon, you know what I'm saying? Don't come after me, Jamie. I know you can crush me like a bug. JP Morgan report. E2 could kickstart $40 billion staking industry by 2025. No shit, man. Welcome to the party. I've been talking about this for the last 2 weeks. I mean, my new epiphany is I'm accumulating Ethereum, Bitcoin. Dude, I'm so bullish Ethereum. I'm probably the most bullish Ethereum, but I love me some Cardano. We're going to look at Harmony One. I'm going to talk about Harmony One a little bit too, but like I'm somewhat considered like just selling everything and going in all in Ethereum. I'm not going to do that, but I think Ethereum is going to go to the moon. I think Ethereum. The more Ethereum you own, the more passive income you're going to be able to generate in the future. I think owning massive amounts of, not even like, dude, I'm trying to get to 100 Ethereum, and I think 100 Ethereum alone will just make me a multimillionaire and nonstop life, like life living on passive income. Like I could just sit back and let my Ethereum earn passive income and just live off of it as it continues to go up. It is the network of the future. These smart and there's room for the others to eat. There's room for Cardano. There's room for Harmony One. There's room for Polkadot. Ethereum is going to be, like me, the 500-pound gorilla in the room. They are the Apple. They're more than the Apple. They're going to be a multi-trillion-dollar smart chain, and I'm an owner. I'm an owner of Ethereum. I own quite a bit of Ethereum, and I'm looking to own more. Same with Cardano. Same with Harmony One. Same with Polkadot. I wish I owned me some Solana. I'm missing out on some Solana. I'm missing out on some Cosmos. There's some other ones out there I like. But I'm the most bullish Ethereum and Cardano for the most part. I love Harmony One, but I think that's a riskier play. But I think it's going to pay off tremendously. So yeah, man. So everything's a little bit bearish. It's been a little bit bearish right now. Everyone's talking about the whack off. I have noticed that a lot of people are talking about the whack off in the 4-hour. It's not really, oh, the Bitcoin shorts are down. So the whack off is really kind of intended to only be looked at the daily. Is it going to be a whack off? You know, I don't know, man. If it is, we might be accumulating for a while. I personally think we're getting ready to make a move up to the, I think we're getting ready to make a move up personally soon, like mid-July, into August. I think we're making a move up. Let's take a look at what we got going on the Aave platform, because I do want to buy some Ethereum. I want to buy some more Ethereum today. I'm going to do that in DeFi. I'm going to do that on the Polygon, just another Matic Monday on Friday network. So right now, and we'll do a little bit more of this on Monday. Actually, before I get to this, let's check out Harmony One. Is Harmony One? Oh man, 6 cents. I should buy some more right now. So my plan this weekend, we'll have to see how lazy I am or how I'm feeling. I plan to start spinning up my Harmony One validator this weekend. I will be putting, I'll be promoting that. This is part of what I want to do big time on this channel. Start setting up nodes for the currencies that I love and support, and then my channel supports and that we all support. So I'll be looking to spin that up, and I will be, promoting it. I'll be saying, hey, I don't need you to put all your Harmony One over here, but 500, 1,000, I mean, $50, throw 50, and we'll get that built up, and we'll build a little community around it. Me going on air, hopefully it'll be enough motivation for me to actually get around and start doing it. It doesn't look difficult for someone like me. You spin up an Ubuntu server, throw a few commands at it. For me, it just, I don't really, I do that type of shit all week long. It's not like I want to spend my weekend doing it, but it's for the cause. And then eventually I do want to get Cardano nodes spun up, but I have no idea how much this stuff's gonna cost, right? And then, in the future, like, I don't plan on selling my Ethereum. I might sell some. Actually, I want to look at something to see if I really think the bull market has a chance of being over. And I meant to look at this before, but we'll look at this real quick. So Bitcoin was at 63. The high was 60. Let's see, 63,000 was the high. Is that right? And about 63,000 on April 14th. And let's see so April 14th, let's see what Ethereum. So its high was, this is not what I wanted to see. So its high was 4,300 on May 12th. And on April 14th, it was 2,400. I still don't think this is the end of the bull market. At the end of the day, I don't freaking care because I'm just going to continue to buy as much as I can for the next 4 years. So if that means I'm buying it cheaper, so be it. But one thing you do see at the end of the bull market is Bitcoin dumps. The one thing you also see though is you have a dump and a relief rally. So I don't think so, man. So typically Bitcoin dumps and the Ethereum pumps. But so that pattern kind of played out. I think it's just a small one, right? I think it's just a small little wave. I think we're still off to the races. Harmony 1, 61 cent. All right, let's get back over to Aave. So I do have one of the things that's really cool about this, and I talk about. So I'm earning Matic, right? I put in DAI, I deposit DAI and I earn 2.63%. We'll just look at DAI and you can do that all the way down. So I'm earning 2.63% interest in DAI. Matic is doing a thing until April 2022. I don't know how much these rates are going to change over the next, 6-7 months or whatever. And they may have even shortened that. I don't remember. But they're paying me in Matic too. And then if you borrow, so I'm earning 2.63, but I'm paying 3.82% to borrow. So that's like a 1.2 delta, 1.2% delta. Well, if I borrow it, I can plug it back in. So that already makes, I'm getting paid to borrow plus Matic, right? It's really kind of hard to wrap your head around. And it's tough, man. Like I'm physically like borrowing money just to yield farm. I'm not making tremendous money. I mean, I got another 2.43 Matic to claim. I think I've made, so I got some stuff over in a degen yield farm. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out because this one on Rug Doctor has a high risk of a rug pull, but I really don't think it does. That being said, it's not like I'm making a fortune over here. So I have a couple grand over here and I'm earning some free Matic and some other free interest. Yeah, but it's not an amazing amount. I probably earned a few free Matic, 2 or 3 free Matic. And so yeah, probably about 3 Matic in the last week. Is it worth risking $2,000 for that? Probably not. So I'm just gonna go ahead and claim all this and withdraw this out. Because this is on the Matic, look at this. It's costing me 0.000554 Matic to do this. That's like fractions of a penny. So this is one of the great things about Matic. I am extremely bullish Matic. But I'm going to pull this out. And this is going to take a little while. So I'm not going to just stay on stream and do that. I do want to pay back my loans to look at a few things and just kind of reset. So this is where it really starts making your head hurt, right? Because you borrowed money to repay it. You got to have money in your MetaMask to do it. So the way you do that, so I borrowed money and put it back. I deposited it back in, but I want to start withdrawing it. So if I were to max withdraw, I don't need to do that. I only need to do, what do I need to do? 36, we'll just say 3601. We'll do 3601. You want to check your score as you do this because you don't want it to get it too low. If you get to 1, if your health factor gets to 1, you can get liquidated. Well, I'm not nowhere near 1, so I'm going to go ahead and withdraw that. I'm going to approve this in MetaMask. You can see me this costs fractions of a penny again. If this was Ethereum, it'd probably cost me $7,000. I'm exaggerating, but not by much. So this would put the money in MetaMask. Actually, I'm gonna go YOLO crazy right now. All right, we're gonna go to the dashboard and then I'm gonna pay off my USDC. So I want to withdraw, how much was that again? Like 3,100. 3,100. Yeah, I'm not worried about the few little shekels. I'm going to withdraw 3,100. 3,100. Boom, boom, boom. What's that going to put my health factor? 158. Not worried about that health factor. Like if this was all in Bitcoin or Ethereum and my health factor was 1.58, then you got to be a little bit worried because that shit could it could take a 30-40% dip and you can get liquidated. A stable coin? Nah, man, like it can move a little, but you know, that's not gonna, I'm not gonna, like, if I was around like 1.01 or 1.0, maybe even to 1.1 on a stable coin, you'd be a little bit nervy. But I'm worried about that right now. So I do want to buy some Ethereum right now, and that's kind of what I'm going to do. So I'm getting paid. I'm basically getting paid because that money is still borrowed. All I did was I borrowed it and I deposited it back in. So that money is still being borrowed. This money is still being borrowed. But instead of depositing it back into DAI and USDC, let's check the old wallet out. Let's look at assets. I got 3,600 DAI, 3,100 USDC. So I don't know. Let's check out. I've done it on Quick Swap. Let's see what it's like on the old Sushi Swap. So I'm going to swap. No, I don't want to swap. Yeah, that's exactly what I want to do. So I want to swap DAI. Are you going to show my, do I have to refresh? What do I got to do here? Okay, balance 3,600. We'll do, how much is in Ethereum? Ethereum is, oh man, I should have done this earlier. It's already moving up. Already up $10. It was down like 100, right? So where was that? Swap. All right, so we'll do 2,500. And then we're gonna go ETH. It'll probably be wrapped ETH, I'm assuming. Wrapped Ether. Yep, that's what we'd have to put on. What? Oh, Matic wrapped Ether. I don't want to do that. All right. So boom, I'm gonna buy 1.18. Price impact. That you got to pay $7.50 in DAI. See it now. If I was doing a yield farm and DAI and ETH, I would be earning part of that, but then you got to worry about impermanent loss. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and buy this. Confirm swap. So now I'm gonna get a little bit of wrapped Ether over here. Ooh, that's gonna cost me 0.0002. What is that, like a third of a penny? That sucks, man. All right, we're gonna let that go through, and now I want to go over to USDC. 3,100, and we'll do what did I do, like 20? We'll just do another, we'll do 2,500. All right, another 1.18 swap. So I'm borrowing money on Aave, a DeFi platform. Are you starting to understand yet, like, how powerful DeFi is going to be? Aave running on Ethereum, right? All right, price update. You will receive, oh no. ETH must have went up a little bit. All right, confirm swap. Oh no, that one's gonna cost me 0.00. Yeah, okay, enough with that joke. It's getting old. So this transaction's pending. Let's hop over to Solo and see how that shit's going. All right, so the DAI I claimed, I want to withdraw. We have to refresh. What's going on? Why are you not letting me withdraw? Stealing my money, Solo? Oh, I gotta do this. Calm down, Tom. Calm down. So we're gonna go boom, withdraw. I'm gonna claim my, oh, that one's gonna cost me about 2 cents. Well, Solo is kind of expensive. So I'm gonna withdraw that, and we're gonna come over here, and I wanna claim my Matic. Confirm. I'm getting a little crazy, so I'm gonna go like that. I'm going to withdraw that money. That one's gonna cost me a couple cents. And then I got some Matic. How much? Oh, I can earn. Oof, that's, I don't even know if I'm gonna get paid back on that one. I have 0.0035 Matic to claim. Yeah, I'll make a little bit. And then how much Rapmatic? See, so like this 12594 Matic, it's all Matic I've earned. I mean, that's a couple Chipotle burritos, right? It's better than nothing. I've only been doing this for like a month, right? And again, it's mostly just to learn because a lot of this stuff's going to be coming to Harmony One. A lot of it's going to be coming to Cardano, Polkadot. A lot of opportunity there. We're going to go ahead and withdraw that. We'll get that deposited back into Aave. We're going to confirm. All right, so let's check the wallet. See what we got going on. We got some Ether. So we got 2.367 wrapped ETH. It's called wrapped Ether because they have to wrap it on the Polygon network. It's just a fancy way of putting Ether on the Polygon network. Still got 2,700 DAI left over, and then we got 1193 USDC. Let's see if all the activity's done. I think we're all good. So we're going to come back over to Aave. And then I'm going to repay some of this for now just to get it. So I can repay most of that. Boom, boom, boom. My health factor is going to go up like crazy. This is going to... Do I do the joke again? I haven't even hit 10 cents in fees yet. Look at how many transactions I've done. Are you kidding me? This is freaking amazing. All right, so let's come over here. Let's go to USDC. Let's repay some of that bitch up. Boom, boom, boom. Oh no, another less than a penny. All right, so my dashboard, let's let that get all caught up. So I have 898 in DAI borrowed. What do I have? About 1,900 in USDC borrowed. And then I'm going to deposit the Ether that I'm basically getting paid to buy. Right? I'm making it sound like amazing, which it kind of is. But I'm basically getting paid to buy something I'm extremely bullish. Now, what could go wrong here? Well, Ether could tank. I don't think it's going to, and I can afford it. I can afford it. Even like right now, I could pay my loan off, period. I could pay this off just by withdrawing $800 in DAI and $1,900 in USDC. These balances would go down and I would pay this off. I'm just doing it to get some extra Matic out of it. Speaking of which, let's claim the Matic. I'm going to claim my 2.41 Matic that I've earned over the last few days. Passive income, baby. So many ways to make passive income in cryptocurrency. This is my job of the future, just making passive income in crypto. I can't freaking wait till I can live off this. And I think, you know, fingers crossed sooner rather than later. All right. Go back over to the markets. Let's get that wrapped Ether deposited. Let's so by depositing the Ether that I got paid to leverage by, I can deposit it. You know, it's only 0.21% interest. It might be better for me to send it like Celsius or something. In order to do that, I have to send it across the Matic bridge, which is going to probably cost me a few dollars, and then I got to pay Ethereum gas. So I think a lot of that's going to get a lot more amazing when like Optimism and the other layer 2 stuff comes out with Uniswap and the EIP 1559 all coming very soon. It's another huge reason why I'm massively bullish Ethereum and why I have no problems buying that. So I'm going to earn a small fee, 0.21%. It's not amazing. And then I'm going to earn some more Matic. And it's also going to drive my health factor up. So we're going to go ahead and deposit this. So I bought 2.367 Ether today. We're going to deposit that in. My health score is going to be at a 5. Are you kidding me? Maybe I should borrow some more. But no. I got to save some content for the real Matic Monday on Monday, right? Oh no, that's going to cost me another. All right, Tom, shut up. So, let's see what else we got left in the wallet. Anything else left to do? I think we got to deposit some Matic. Get every little bit out of that. The rewards claiming looks like it's taking a second. There we go. We got 13 Matic. They really need to fix these icons. So I'm going to come back over to my dashboard and I'm going to deposit my Matic. Oh, it's not all there yet. So that deposit's not going to through. I'm not going to hold you guys for this, but I am going to wait for this activity so this Rapmatic is taking a little while. I could speed this up. Gas price extremely low, baby. I'm just going to let that go for a while. Once my Rapmatic all shows up over here, I'm going to deposit that on Aave. And then we'll have more Matic over here, earning yield. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. Let's see what's going on in the market. 2 likes. Thank you, everyone, for hitting the likes. I was one of them. All right, so Bitcoin, 33.5, it's moving up. Ethereum, we know that's moving up because that one Ethereum just cost me a little bit extra. We need to get back above this yellow line right here. Extremely best technical analysis on the market. What do we got? Higher, lower, lower high, lower low. That's not what we want to see. We had a little chilly dipper yesterday. This weekend, who knows? I'm not sure what's going to happen. And personally, I think one of two things are going to happen. We're going to accumulate for a while and go crazy, or we're going to go crazy here pretty soon. I'm not sure that this is really paying off like whack off redistribution or accumulation, either one. Crypto Savvy will tell you it's redistribution and we're going another leg down. Like, to me, I'm not gonna lie, to me, if I was the big money, obviously I want to, and it's coming, man. There's so many articles. Germany, like with the big news in Germany, and it's not even really moving the price, that, you know, funds over there or companies can allocate 20% of their monies to cryptocurrency. That's going to be big. You just go pull up a website. This firm is buying crypto. This firm's buying crypto. Scaramucci now trying to get a Ethereum ETF. This stuff's coming, whether it's this year and next year. I'm actually like, it's a little bit more painful, but if I'm being honest, I kind of hope the ETFs don't come to next year. It's going to extend the run and it's going to give you more time to accumulate. Not financial advice, but I urge you to start accumulating as much cryptocurrency as you can afford to lose. Because, and that's the most important, you got to be able to afford to lose it because you can, and it's no different in the stock market. Even a Tesla, right? I think Tesla or Apple, some of the best buys on the board. If you buy it, you're almost guaranteed to make money over long term if you can afford to hold it. If you're trying to get rich overnight, it doesn't work like that in cryptocurrency. You're going to get a very, very, very small subset of people. They got lucky. Lightning struck. They bought Shiba Inu and made $1 million. That shit just doesn't, most of the time. The story is I lost all my money in crypto. I leverage traded, 100x leverage. I used your link. Thanks for that referral link. I used it and I lost all my money. I lost my wife. I lost my family. I guarantee you there's many more of those stories than there are some asshole that won $1 million on Shiba Inu. The way you get rich AF in cryptocurrency is you buy and hold. You buy and hold. You buy, you leverage, you buy, you stake it, you earn passive income. That's all I'm doing. Dude, I'm earning half my monthly nut in cryptocurrency, and I've only been doing this for 6 months. Now, don't get me wrong. I went pretty hard. We got lucky in the stock market last year. I made a decent chunk of change off Tesla Neo, by the way. That one's ripping again. It's above 50. Hopefully there's a lot of Neo owners out there that are doing well. Tesla's starting to make moves again. Is it going to start moving back up? We'll have to see. Every other video right now is impending stock market crash, impending collapse of the Fed, and blah, blah, blah. Whatever, man. But yeah, just buy and hold, accumulate. Buy, again, I'm pounding the table on this. Buy with what you can afford to lose, right? Because if you can afford to lose it, you're not going to panic sell. That's where a lot of people will lose their money. They'll buy it at 65,000 with money that they need in 3 months, but they think they can double that money. And then crypto gets cut in half, chopped right in half, and then they're effed. You're effed. Well, then what do? You're screwed. But if you invested that money and you didn't, like, it didn't matter, if you looked that money in the face before you invested it and said, you know what? I'm just considering you gone. I'm going to light you on fire now. But if I check back on you in 4 years and you made me a boatload of cash, that's amazing. That's how you do it. That's how you have to do it. If you're, I've been there. I've been desperate, right? I'm not desperate right now. I'm kind of desperate. I'm desperate to start living my life. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm going to wrap this up. I hope you all have a great July 4th weekend. Party it up. Be safe. Don't drink and drive. Use Ubers. Try and keep the fireworks to just to Monday. You know, people like me got to sleep. Probably a lot of vets out there that have a lot of PTSD. We don't need your fireworks 2 weeks before and 7 months after. You know what I'm saying? Like, be a little bit respectful, asshole. You're one of those assholes. Hopefully you didn't get offended. Anyway, I love you all and peace.